Sometimes you aren't sure how many times exactly a block of code should be repeated. And so in the case of an input, maybe you want a specific number, let's say guess x, and then you're not sure, so instead of a for loop you can use a while loop, which will repeat indefinitely until the condition is true. And so you'd want to repeat. And of course we have a number here, so we should convert the string or the text input to a number. You do that by surrounding it using int, which will convert text to a number. You'll see as soon as we typed int, it gave some description of that. Regardless, if we were to run this program, it will repeat indefinitely until we make this condition true. And so you can go on and try to type any number here, but it will only end this loop if x is equal to 5. So a while loop is used if you're not sure exactly how long it will take, which is often the case with certain user input, or maybe based on certain sensor data in robotics. Anyway, if you know exactly how many times it should be repeated, you should use a for loop, but otherwise you can use a while loop.